Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a unique used stock item that we've got back into stock in a Swift Elite 530 2020 model. So you wonder why such a new caravan has come back into stock, and the sole reason and sole purpose is unfortunately this particular layout just did not work for this customer. But it is a fantastic 4-berth side dinette single axle caravan, and what a great opportunity to get it at a fantastic price in great condition. So the Elite range being bespoke to us here at Grantham, so we're extra proud to have this back into stock in our used range. You've got a wonderful chrome logo on the front, the carbon fibre finish on the locker box. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. A 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and we've got an exterior barbecue point, side access hatch to underneath the front couches, an external entertainment pod with triple arm TV bracket inside, and also a 240-volt socket. You've also got an Alco Secure wheel lock coming as part of this caravan, but this caravan does not currently have a motor mover fitted to it. So if that's a need and a consideration for you, we can certainly work out a fantastic price on a new motor mover. You've got the branded Elite mat as you step inside. So stepping inside the caravan, first of all, you can see that wonderfully spacious side dinette. You've got the brackets here to be able to convert this into a bunk bed, which is where it makes up for the bunk bed there and the double at the front, creating that 4-berth. You've got the gloss effect on the cabinetry throughout the caravan, really offsetting great and fantastically well against this wonderful hand-selected bespoke fabric scheme. Panoramic sunroof at the front is coupled by a medium-sized Hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space in this generous-sized lounge area. 2 individual sections here that you could easily sleep on a single bed should you wish, but with the pull-out slats just below the chest, you can make it up into a generous-sized double. Also benefiting from the PIR sensor for the alarm, a short pull-out table, and your first television point located at the front binnacle with 2 40-volt sockets and also USB points. You've got a very generous sized kitchen work surface with ample amount of storage located underneath and also above. A medium-sized under-counter fridge positioned just below the stainless steel sink with the illuminated diamond effect splashback. You have an easy usable height microwave and also an omnivent in the kitchen area. Your combination oven and grill benefits from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, with also pan storage underneath. This particular model with the built-in Swift command system, enabling mobile connectivity to the caravan as well as Bluetooth while you're in it, digital DAB radio, and also the caravan benefiting from the Alder wet central heating. So stepping to the generous sized bathroom area, you've got your Thetford toilet positioned to the left, a generous sized wardrobe at the rear with a large sink and storage underneath, coupled with a very nice large square shower cubicle, also benefiting from having a hanging rail also fitted. So that gives you a real good feel for what this Elite 530 2020 model has to offer, and what a great opportunity to get a nearly new caravan at a fantastic price. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular caravan or anything we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour, and if you've got any queries, any questions, please feel free to speak to us. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.